Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com with your Option Pit trade idea of the week. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be considered as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. Hey, guess what we got going on tomorrow? Starting at 9:30 Eastern Time, gold, oil, and other commodities. All right, trading options on them from an expert. I've been working with myself and the presenter. We're going to do about a half an hour little primer on volatility, followed by 3+ hours of intensive commodity option trading. Go to optionpit.com/oil to register. Just $167. Use code 25_off, all capitals, to take an extra $25 off. And here is your your options for commodities piece that we put out last week. So there you have it, folks. Now let's talk about the market. Well, we're up 4. VIX is off 33. It's been down a lot more today. All right. And you can see ExxonMobil was down as much as $3, now down just 2.25. VXX, UVXY, all soft. Really big turnaround in tech. Amazon completely underperforming straddle. Google coming in about even with its straddle. And Apple continues to perform. All right, that vol continues to, in our opinion, be inexpensive. All right, how about Groupon? Look at that, up $1 yesterday on the fact that they're not going out of business until, this year. Go Groupon. Now, notice bonds continue to be high. Tesla continues to rally on a short squeeze. So they've got earnings coming up, but this rally is entirely a squeeze of shorts. All right, in other words, they are playing shorts. They're running up the stock in the face of shorts. All right. And, that's kind of an interesting play. Now, they've got earnings on the 3rd, which means we can't play it. But that's one that, popped out to us as a potential trade. But given that, there's so many different areas where we've seen earnings this week, I'm going to pull up Facebook and, take a look at yesterday's range. Had a huge overnight range, traded up as high as 132. It's kind of sat here for a couple days. I think that's going to change. I think you're going to see, if I pull up a chart of Facebook, how much lower can this vol go? And the stock is at its all-time high. All right. This is a trade we consistently like. We consistently like to trade, and we're not going to shy away from it right now. I like buying, September for 20% volatility. Too cheap. All right. Some of this front month stuff also cheap, but we're going to give ourselves a little time. That's about 45 days. This would be a name that would likely show up on the Option Pit scans. So if I do buy, call 45 days to expiration, I'm guessing you're going to see Facebook on there. Got to get to stocks that are not in the hundreds. So let me see. Facebook should be on here. Surprisingly, it's not. But, in my head, what I see is a stock right near a 52-week high. That's probably from the overnight range that's getting thrown off. And I see a stock where I want to own calls. And I can own September 130 calls for $1.75. And, you're saying, well, Mark, that's still $1.75 a premium. Well, if you don't want to pay that, then do a call spread or set up a butterfly. But for ease and simplicity, I'm just going to buy a call. I'm going to pay $1.73 or as high as $1.74 and go from there. And there you have it. I bought my Facebook call. All right, folks. If you have questions, you can email me mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.